So, this is Rebel. He is a Myanmarese cat. Oh, did you Rebel? No. And waiting for moving to Thailand. His parents now is on holiday. And he will be picked up on maybe 20, 21, 22. And he will go by transit from here to Phnom Penh to Bangkok. Right? Mm. So we'll see how is that going to go. But currently he is waiting now. He normally had one room for himself because he is not used to be together with the other cats. I also allow this Maya, so at least. Oh. Rebel! No. Otherwise, Maya, you go out. So at least he has some companion to see other cat. Sometimes he tolerate Maya, sometimes not. So that is his story. Ano ba? Your story, yeah. Sometimes he likes to go here, you know. You want to sit here and watch the stray cats outside. That is very good. He is not, I do not see him now. Very happy boy though. Hello, be? He like human companions all the time, so I come here at least 3 to 4 times in the morning and the same in the afternoon until evening. You know, just to make sure that his interaction with humans are consistent and he doesn't feel abandoned. That's the way how we look after our long-term cat that is being bored with us. So that is his room. So we'll see. Sometimes he also sleep underneath here. If he gets so tired climbing and he want to have peace and quiet, so normally he has another bed here and he goes, and we cover it. So he has his privacy. But a lot of space to go. You see this hammock, he's stood there. He also go there. And he has a box here and another box there. He have another bed and another box there. He doesn't really goes a lot here in this cat tower. I don't know. But he has a lot of space on his own. And this one here is this chair. That one is another hiding place. So he is equipped. He has an aircon. It is too hot. And he has a fan, which is we turn off the aircon to rest, at night sometimes, 10 to 12 or 2 o'clock. And then we open again in the morning when it's too hot. See? But he has always a fan. There you go. So Rebel is not so easy because he doesn't like other cats. Maya he tolerates, but sometimes he jab him. He jab her. Maya is a very pretty, relaxed cat in our house. See? Yeah, Maya. And she has a 4 legs, 3 legs only. Rescued from another rescuer. Actually, I only foster, but become rescued. All right then, so that is Revel and all his turf here. All right, Revel, you okay? Now, few more days and he is leaving. His parents are going to pick him up and they're moving to Bangkok. So that's the story. Okay, thank you. You wanted to share your revel.